What is the dawn that we carry in our hearts? The one we've been yearning for through the long and weary night? Is this dawn, stained and bitten by the night, the one we've been waiting for? Is this the dawn that we, alongside our companions, have longed for, believing it would appear somewhere, somehow? We had envisioned a final stop for the stars in the vast expanse of the sky, a place where the tyranny of the night would disintegrate, a place where the ship of a sorrowful heart would finally find its anchor. As we ventured on the mysterious roads of youthful vigor, many hands reached out, clutching at our hems. From the impatient chambers of the realm of beauty, arms kept beckoning, bodies kept calling. The desire for the dawn's face, it was cherished, it was dear. The garment of the beauties of light seemed so close within our grasp. Our desires were light, our weariness subdued, quiet and soft. It's been said that the separation between darkness and